It's time to read through Renovation with Justine. This orc, he cave boy. This orc, he live in cave. He carry club. He cave boy. This Wama. Wama woolly mammoth. Orc love Wama. Every day Wama grow bigger and bigger. And bigger. Orc love Wama. But Orc's mother not convinced. Woma shed. Woma smell. Woma not house trained. Mother say, get that woolly mammoth out of this cave. Poor Woma. Orc love Woma. Orc get big idea. Teach Woma tricks. Mother think Woma smart. Mother think Woma cute. Mother love Woma. Speak, Woma, speak. Fetch, Woma, fetch. Roll over, Woma, roll o. Poor Woma. Orc love Woma. One day, Orc playing. He mighty hunter. Hunt bison. Hunt cave bear. Hunt saber tooth. Poor Orc. Saber tooth love Orc. But Woma love Orc more. Sabertooth reconsidered. Orc safe now. Woma big hero. Mother love Woma. Woma back in cave. Kind of. And that was this orc.